How to set a Spotify song as a ringtone. So in the video today, I'll show you how to set Spotify as a ringtone. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you want to go ahead and set a Spotify song as a ringtone, all you have to do is head over to a song that you actually like. And you can see here I actually have this Trippy Red song. So I'll go ahead and add it to a playlist. Now, it's very important that you add this song to a playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to the T playlist here, and we're going to click done. Now that we've done that, we now have the song in the playlist. So basically, this is actually the step needed to actually set the Spotify song as a ringtone. So all I have to do here is click the song in the playlist and start listening to it. So you can see here that we now have the display here, and basically it's going to show you the cover and everything. At the top right hand corner, there should be a 3 dotted line there. Now go ahead and click it. Once you've done that, head all the way down to the very bottom of the settings here, and there should be a thing called sleep timer. Now here you can go ahead and actually set this as a ringtone. So essentially it's going to go ahead and stop the audio within an hour, 45 minutes, or much more. So here you can actually select the time period you want this to go off. Now keep in mind that this is a short-term ringtone, so just go ahead and pick your time here. So I'll go ahead and do 5 minutes here, and in a couple of minutes it'll go off. So that's essentially how you set a Spotify song as a ringtone. So that's how you do it. Hopefully you found the video helpful. Please leave a like on this video, and hopefully you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you until next time.